Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Refillable Moisture Cream. This product retails for $40. I am super excited to be trying out this new formulation from Glow Recipe. This is the complementary product to their Essence Toner that they released earlier last year. This product specifically looks to be exciting to me because first off, I looked over the ingredient list and nothing looks to set off my personal acne, which is huge because I have not had a good track record with Glow Recipe moisturizers. Haven't tried their oil-free moisturizer yet, but their Plum Plump moisturizer sadly broke me out. So I'm really hopeful going into this because their Cloudberry Essence Toner was something that worked well for me, but it was loaded with fragrance. That's the only thing about Glow Recipe and their products, and spoiler alert, this product is no different. However, I did notice that the Cloudberry Essence Toner had much more fragrant ingredients than this product. Now they don't disclose what concentration it is at, but it is at the lowest point of the ingredient list, so I can assume it is smaller. I know the Cloudberry Essence had essential oils on top of added fragrance. So that is something to note about this product. If you're sensitive, then I would go ahead and rule this out, but less fragrance may be better for someone like me who just doesn't prefer to use it. If I see great things with this, with the great antioxidants they've included in it, then I will be able to look past the fragrance because I'm personally someone who doesn't like to use it, but I don't mind it if I love a skincare product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use cloudberry seed oil, CoQ10, and a peptide lipid complex in this moisturizer. To check out the full ingredient list, you can either click the link in the description, or I've also listed off the ingredients in the description as well. The big things I'll be looking for with it include, does it clog my pores or cause any acne? I also want to see what finish this product leaves. It is colder when I am trying this, so I want to see if it is nourishing enough for my skin both day and night, and also do I experience any sensitivity with the fragrance, and that is something unique with this product since I have had an issue with some Glow Recipe fragrance products in the past. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this moisturizer. I haven't tried it, I haven't smelt it. I wanted to go into this completely blind to see, first of all, how the fragrance is, second of all, how it feels. Okay, this is super cute. It does come in refillable packaging. As you can see there, that is such a cute component. Oh my gosh. But they did do a refillable tab with this. So here's the thing, I haven't had a lot of good luck with Glow Recipe moisturizers. I think I've only tried one. I haven't tried their gel cream, but I tried their Plum Plump moisturizer, crazy acne. Okay, the fragrance is there. Comparing it to the Essence, it's a lot less. Seems more lightweight, so maybe they listened to feedback with that. Wow, this is a nice, that's interesting. It almost feels like a water cream, which I enjoy. I really gravitate towards water creams, but it's a little bit more plush than a water cream. It's definitely not gel cream consistency. I haven't felt a lot of products with this texture. I feel like that is pretty unique. Now, I didn't see any ingredients that set off a red flag for me. I usually look out for that with going into moisturizers, especially since I didn't have a good experience with the first one. I'm very hopeful for this product. The fragrance is a little bit worse the more that I apply it to my face, but I'm hoping it will be fast fading. I think they did integrate more natural fragrance and not like added fragrance. This may be some fruit extracts in this. I know they do have added fragrance. Wow, okay. This is feeling amazing. This is the type of moisturizer I tend to go for. Feels so good going on the skin. I really am enjoying the feel because it is like a water cream, but it's more creamy, if that makes sense. It's a lot more plush. It blends into the skin really nice, and it just leaves my skin feeling refreshed. I really needed that because I've been outside in the cold. This is feeling like a nice restorative moisturizer, and it is seeming like it will last a long time because it did go a long way. It's very easily spreadable. I'm liking this. I like the ingredients they chose to include. Do I wish they didn't include fragrance in this? Absolutely, but that's just something that's gonna happen with Glow Recipe. It's kind of something I've gotten used to. If you are able to tolerate fragrance, I'm really liking the feel of this moisturizer so far. I'm still wanting to see if it causes any acne. No sensitivity right off the bat to the fragrance, and the fragrance has already faded, so it is a little bit less than their essence, but still that is a factor in this product, so just keep that in mind. I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product, coming from someone who prefers a richer water cream moisturizer, especially in the winter. This product was perfect for me. Now, Glow Recipe has a lot of claims that I didn't get to testify in this review, specifically some of the antioxidant benefits and brightening benefits I feel like will take a little bit longer to show results. But coming from my experience with using this product for a couple of weeks, I noticed that it was a moisturizer texture that I just found myself gravitating towards. It's a little bit richer of a cream than a water cream, but it also has a lightweight ability to sink into the skin like a gel cream. So where I kind of established this moisturizer is around the water cream texture, but it is by far the most hydrating and nourishing water cream that I have tried, and that's why I absolutely love it. It blends into the skin so nice, leaves a nice light dewy finish that I feel like any skin type could use, and I feel like it has a perfect place in Glow Recipe's lineup of products because it is kind of that mid-weight moisturizer with amazing ingredients in it. The fragrance wasn't my favorite, but I have to give Glow Recipe credit that this is a lot less fragrance, at least from a smell and headache perspective, than their Essence Toner. And I was able to use that product, so that is coming from that perspective. And even though I'm not the biggest fan of using fragrance in my skincare, I am able to tolerate it, and because I fell in love with the light texture of it, it made me want to use this product. I have to be really blown away by a product to continuously use it and recommend it when it has fragrance in it, and I still wouldn't recommend it if you are sensitive to it, but I noticed that my skin was able to tolerate it fine, and the beautiful texture of this moisturizer was what really stood out to me. This product also didn't clog my pores or cause any acne, and it was perfectly balanced for every area of my face. I also noticed that I was able to use it both day and night, and it wasn't too heavy for the daytime, but it was perfectly balanced to be a rich enough night cream where I woke up and felt refreshed. They have a lot of brightening ingredients that I can't wait to be able to testify for the results for, because I am going to be continuing to use this moisturizer. Honestly, because it is just something that I kept gravitating towards. Even though I am concluding my review on this, I am planning on continuing to use it in my skincare routine, and I'm so excited to. It is a little bit more of an expensive moisturizer. I found it spread very easily, so I don't think I'm going to go through this product very quickly, but it is definitely more expensive. I do like that they offer a refill option because it does save you a little bit of money there, but still it is pretty expensive for the value. I would say an alternative, even though it doesn't have the same texture, but it does have a nice water cream consistency, would be the bubble water cream if you are wanting an alternative to this. Totally different ingredients though. The brightening complexes and the antioxidant complex of this moisturizer really makes it stand out, along with some hydrating ingredients that worked really well to be an effective water cream that I feel like make it stand out from others on the market. But the bubble is the only alternative that I can think of off the top of my head. The Inculus also has their Omega water cream that I really enjoy, but that is just if you're looking for a more budget-friendly water cream option. Those moisturizers and other ones that I can think of didn't provide the same level of nourishment that this one did, which is why I would ultimately see myself reinvesting in it. It's all depending on preference though. If you're just wanting a pretty simple water cream, both of those are great options. I can't think of an alternative to this product off the top of my head that I have tried at least, but that is why this product is 100% worth it to me. I fell in love with the feel and its ability to not clog my pores or cause acne. Even though that's not guaranteed to be the experience for everybody, I was still very happy that I didn't experience breakouts with it. I would personally recommend this because it is a nice feel to a water cream. That is the biggest selling point for me, at least. It's the type of moisturizer I see myself gravitating towards. And so if you like a nice, fast absorbing yet richer water cream, I would 100% 100% recommend trying out this product. I feel like it would be balanced for any skin type, but I can't testify for really oily skin, but it is enough to where I would invest in this product again. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.